This is the Typecase Touch Keyboard Case for iPad. Thank you to Typecase for making today's video possible. What is up guys, my name is Chase and today we have a very exciting product sent to me by Typecase. This is a magnetic case for the iPad, which gives you a full RGB backlit keyboard, as well as a trackpad, which gives you a laptop experience for your iPad. Now I'm very excited to check out this case, so let's open up the box. So first off, we have a very classy box. You lift this up here and open it like that. Wow. And then it also shows you some information here on the inside, which is very nice. It's showing off the RGB LED backlight, the precision trackpad, 7 use modes for different viewing angles. It easily magnetically attaches to the iPad, and there is a loop for your Apple Pencil, which is very nice. So let's check out what we have here in the box. First off, we have the Typecase Touch user manual. This will be very helpful in showing you how to use your new iPad case. But now here is the actual case itself right here. Let's take this out and see what we got. Wow, it's actually like a pretty premium feeling case. Okay, this feels very hefty and premium. On the side here, we also get a USB charging cable. It is a USB-C to USB-A cable. So that's everything in the box. How about now let's actually take a look at the case itself and try and put it on my iPad. So it looks like you lift it up like that. We get some instructions showing how to pair it with your iPad. All right, and yeah, here is the actual case itself, which your iPad will attach to. First off, we can try a little typing test here with the keyboard. I mean, for the most part, the keyboard feels quite nice. I would say it's more on the spongy side, which, isn't a bad thing or anything. There actually is quite a bit of travel for these keys, which is nice. The trackpad here feels like a pretty nice trackpad. But now let's get my iPad and see how this thing works. Alright, so here is my 10th generation iPad in blue. So ideally, we can probably just set this here and there we go. It just snaps into place. Very nice. I really like that on the bottom here, there is a ridge where your iPad can actually sit very nicely. So now let's actually get the keyboard case up and running. There is a small little power switch here on the side, so we turn that on. Whoa, look at that. The keyboard is going. It's pretty crazy to imagine in such a small keyboard case that there is full RGB LED backlight. So in order to pair it, we are here in the Bluetooth menu on the iPad, and it looks like right off the bat, it did automatically go into pairing mode, so I think we can just press that and it'll pair. And there we go, it should be all set up here. Now just in case, there is a dedicated pair button here at the top right of the keyboard. But now, ideally, yeah, we can use the trackpad here and we have the little cursor on the iPad. We can go into notes and try typing some stuff. Hello, my name is Chase. Sorry, it's very difficult for me to type in this weird angle. This is my first time using the Typecase keyboard case for iPad. So yeah, as far as I can tell so far, it feels nice to use this keyboard. Now the really cool thing that we can do here is test out the RGB backlight. So I'm guessing that we just press this light button on the keyboard and there we go. We have full RGB LED backlight for this keyboard. That's really cool. There's also a color button here, so I'm guessing that allows us to switch the colors, yeah. So we have a whole array of different colors here that you can set. You can also have the color cycle, which is really cool. I'm gonna go ahead and set it to blue to match my blue iPad. There are also a row of function keys here at the top, which allow you to change the brightness on your iPad. You have some media buttons, some volume buttons. It's very nice to have all of these function keys on this case as well in order to control your iPad. And I almost forgot, another totally cool feature is that you have this hinge here, which allows you to turn your iPad different ways. In fact, oh, it goes a full 360 degrees. That's crazy. I wonder how that works. That's really cool. So one thing that often bothers me with magnetic keyboard cases for the iPad is that a lot of times they won't allow you to use your iPad in portrait mode like this. But with this Typecase Touch keyboard case, you can ideally just spin the iPad around like this and close it shut. shut, and now you can use the iPad in portrait mode. That's really cool. That's actually such a clever way to be able to use your iPad normally in portrait mode like this, while still having the iPad connected to the case here. I actually really love this, so that's awesome. And then when you want to use the keyboard case again, you just open it up like this and spin it around. That's so sick. I actually really love that. And then of course on the side you have this little loop here which allows you to put your Apple Pencil in. Really nice to have. So overall, I am quite impressed with the Typecase Touch keyboard case for iPad. Once again, thank you so much to Typecase for providing me with this product. I'm very excited to continue using this with my iPad. And before I end this video, Typecase was also so kind enough to send me another product of theirs. This is the Typecase Mag Slot. It's a magnetic phone stand with 4 card slots. So opening up the box here is a little MagSafe stand for our iPhone. So these are little adhesive magnetic rings that you can attach to different iPhone cases. So here is the Typecase Mag Slot for iPhone. It's basically a MagSafe wallet for your iPhone, which is really cool. You have the little MagSafe ring here on the back, and then inside you have a bunch of different ways to hold cards and, you know, all kinds of different stuff. Thank you so much to Typecase for sending this to me. I wasn't even expecting it. So once again, thank you so much to Typecase for making today's video possible. If you guys want to check out Typecase's products, I'll leave a link in the description. For now, thank you so much for watching. My name is Chase, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye!